Hey, it's Vas here from Aussie RC Playground, and today we're going to be speed testing the Losi Tenacity DB Pro. Now this guy here has actually got the optional pinion in there, which is a 15 tooth, and we're going to be testing it out just on 3S only. I am not going to really bother doing the 2S run. I just want to see if this thing will actually hit 50 miles an hour as claimed on the box. So here we go. Okay, here we go. First of three. Let's see what the little fella here can do. 10 scale, 3S, optional pinion. Here we go, Noah. Winding it out. Whoa. How much? 74. That's not bad. That's not bad. Thank you. 74 kilometers per hour. Hey. Little guy can go. Now we do have a little bit of headwind. It's blowing right from my back, so apologies for any wind noise. Clear behind, Noah?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. $73 that time. Thank you. Well, we're a little bit off the 50 miles an hour I think they had on the box, and now we have a car, so we'll just park it a little bit and wait for him to pass, and then we'll do our final run. Okay, here we go. Third and final pass, Noah. $74 that time, and those tires are ballooning like crazy at that speed, so it's a little bit skittish at top end. 74, that's all she will do. Let's see what the GPS has to tell us, if it's any different or not. Ooh, it might actually be a little bit higher. Carefully take it out of here. 77 on the GPS. So I'll just, there we go. There we are. So we're not far off. Radar gun might be a little bit out, but yeah, we're certainly a little bit shy of 50 miles an hour, but I'll tell you what, for what it is, this thing is plenty fast just the same. I'm still pretty happy with it. Still pretty happy with it. So that's why I'm going to leave this one here, guys. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and check out the video description for more information on the car, as well as links to my social media pages. Thank you again for watching, and I'll speak to you all next time.